Okay, guys, so I have to admit, after some time of testing the Inception Labs Mercury coder, I am actually in love. I actually like it. It is actually following instructions, and it is 10 times faster than ChatGPT, DeepSeek, and all those other guys. So that is really cool. And the code, as you guys can see over here, is pretty decent. Um, for making games and stuff, visual stuff, I haven't tested it that much. My initial test in the previous video sucked. It sucked. Basically, it didn't really do a good job at creating a 2D platform game. It really didn't follow instructions. But for AI APIs and stuff like that, it is quality. It is really good quality. So that's my 2 cents for this guy right now. I'm actually gonna use it very often right now because I'm kind of loving it. So um, let's try this code out. Let's see if it even works properly. So let's go over here. As you guys can see, DeepSeek is still thinking, and it's been thinking for like 30 minutes. So that's very productive. So let's go over here. Let's create a test.py. All I asked it was to activate the Python virtual environment. So it's been trying to activate it or thinking about that for 30 minutes, which is not great. Although I do love DeepSeek. It's really good. So this channel is about making bots for Python and stuff. So I'm building a AI YouTuber that finds opportunities in crypto and shares them with people 24/7. So adding the tests. Okay, let's continue coding so you guys can see. I have to I would like to run this test in debug mode. Would it be possible, and how can I do it? So the instructions it's telling me right now is to run Ubicorn main app and then pytest.py, but I don't want to do that. I would like to also debug main.py where the API, hang on guys, where the API is at. Hang on, no. I would like to test both Python files in debug mode. So let's see what it does. I love the diffusion effect. That's pretty cool. Generating it all at the same time is pretty amazing. So testing both Python files in debug mode. To test both test.py and main.py in debug mode, you can follow the same steps as above, but ensure that both files are part of your project and the breakpoints are set correctly. Okay, that's great. So pip install pytest trace test, so that's great. This thing is not disappointing at all. I can't wait for an open source version of this. It's gonna rock. It is so much faster and it does follow really good instructions. So this is really interesting. PyTest, trace test, so let's create let's change the Python environment. Hang on guys. Okay, so I really don't like this part because it's pre-coded stuff that's useless and it kind of gets in the way when you're clicking. You think that's the actual text bar, but it ain't, and that's not cool. So I'm just doing pip installs right now because I need to pip install a few things and we should be ready to test. Okay guys, so after some pip installs, I need to do even more pip installs. Great. So Let me just handle that.
I'm just drifting between the free tiers of Grok 3, ChatGPT, Claude, DeepSeek, Mistral. Honestly, I don't like Inception that much. Its Mercury coder is really not that great. So what am I building? I'm building a crypto bot that identifies opportunities 24/7 and creates videos of that. So here is the AI model that I'm going to use that can be used also for AI surveillance, fraud detection. It has vision, it has language, and it has image generation, so it's really cool. So that's the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. Like, share, and subscribe if you want to see how to automate a bunch of cool stuff of finding alpha in crypto using AI instead of being a keyboard warrior, taking all your time and not having time for your life. So this is how I'm using Python to do that. So installing SD3, creating an API with that memory extension. I'm pretty sure I'll fix that very soon. And so I'm gonna create this other API that basically creates images, and then another API inside of a Docker container, which is going to convert those images into video. So that's gonna create that AI that does the wonders of finding crypto opportunities and converting them into short videos that are easy to understand and act on. So thank you so much, guys. Have a wonderful day.